Hey bodybuilders! Welcome back to another episode where we dive deep into the secrets of muscle growth and strength training. Ever wondered why your biceps and core aren't growing despite all those intense workouts? You're putting in the effort, but the results just aren't showing. The secret might be in the progressive overload principle. This principle is a game changer for anyone serious about making gains. I'm gonna break down how to use it to boost your biceps and core right now. Stick around because this could be the missing piece in your training puzzle. First up, what is progressive overload? It's a fundamental concept in strength training. It's the gradual increase of stress placed upon your muscles during training. This can be achieved by adding more weight, increasing reps, or even changing the tempo of your exercises. This forces your muscles to adapt, grow stronger, and get bigger. Simple, right? Let's start with biceps. The biceps are a small muscle group, but they respond incredibly well to progressive overload. The classic bicep curl is a perfect exercise to apply progressive overload. It's straightforward but highly effective. Here's how to do it. Start with a weight that you can lift comfortably for about 8-12 reps. 1. Gradually increase the weight as you get stronger. This could mean adding a couple of pounds every week or two. 2. Increase the number of sets. If you're doing 3 sets, try moving up to 4 or 5 sets over time. 3. Focus on your form. Proper form ensures that you're targeting the biceps effectively and reducing the risk of injury. 4. Push yourself to lift heavier weights, but always listen to your body to avoid overtraining. Consistency is key here, folks. Track your progress and keep challenging those biceps. Now, onto the core. Your core is crucial for overall strength and stability. One of the best exercises for core strength is the plank. Progressive overload for planks? Absolutely. It's not just about holding the position, but making it more challenging over time. 1. Start by holding the plank for 30 seconds. Once you can do this comfortably, increase the duration by 10-15 seconds each week. 2. Add variations like side planks or planks with leg lifts to target different parts of your core. 3. Ensure your form is perfect. A proper plank engages your entire core, from your abs to your lower back. 4. Add weight to your back to increase the intensity. This could be a small weight plate or even a heavy book. Remember, progressive overload isn't just about adding weight, it's about making your muscles work harder over time. You can increase reps, sets, or even decrease rest time between sets. The goal is to keep your muscles guessing and adapting, so there you have it. Apply the progressive overload principle to your biceps and core exercises and watch those gains roll in. Got questions or tips to share? Drop a comment below. We love hearing from you and helping you on your fitness journey. And don't forget to check out our products in the description. See you next time. Keep pushing, keep growing.